Hello, this is windowpartscenter.com, and today we're doing a product highlight on our C2000 Ashland Optima dual arm operator. There is now a current version and an old style that's no longer manufactured. So the old style looked like this. It had a gray housing normally, and it has no post. The current version is now this beige color on the housing, and it does have this post right here. And why this is important is if you had the C2001 expression cover and handle that goes on the operator, that looks like this. This handle will not fit with this post. If you try to stick it on, that post hits the underside because the underside has this bump out here, and that's for the handle to nest in there. It's for the handle to nest in there, so it has this bump. So it works on the old style like this because there's no post there. But on the current style that they manufacture, it has this post, and so this part's in the way, so they don't fit. What does work on either of these is the Evolution. The Evolution was used on the old style. It could be used on there, so either one can work, the Expressions or the Evolution. The Evolution is part number S1043. But it can also work on the current style with the post, and that is because if you look underneath, the nesting is different, and it has this little clip for this post, so it fits right on there. So what you can do, if you have the old style operator and you have the Expression C2001 cover and handle, you could order the new version if you need that with the post, and then you would have to order the Evolutions S1043 to be put on that. The other option we have for you is we take this current style operator and we buzz off this post for you, and so we call it the modified version, so you can see how that's been buzzed off, and then now either one will be able to work on that, so you don't have to buy a new cover and handle if you don't need a new one. So those are just the options. We do show all of this on our website. We show the old version. This is no longer available, it is gone, and then we have the current version with the post, or you can order the current version and it's called Modified No Post, and it will come without the post there, so either one of your cover and handle sets will work with it. Thank you so much and have a great day.